Hi, this is John with WTI, and I own a phone. I own a Galaxy S21 Ultra, and I am a curious user. I'm an all-around user that is always throwing his phone around and is falling constantly. I put it into different surfaces, but at the same time, I like my phone to look stylish, and this cover from OtterBox SYMMETRY is a great option. So I found out that this cover, I've always had a lot of problems with the other covers because I would throw it around and they start to scratch. And this cover looks the same, like the same I bought it. I scratched it, I used it in several situations. It has fallen so many times and it looks the same. And I like it because it's not like the other Defender covers that I used to wear, and it will look so chunky in my hand. This one looks stylish, the phone still looks thin, the camera cutouts are really good, so you don't have like a big bump in the camera cutouts. So this has been my daily commute. I use this one. Is the only cover I own for my phone. That says a lot because I like to change styles. But I feel like this black color is really sober and it looks nice. And at the same time, I get this great protection like OtterBox. They know how to do it. So if you're looking for a great cover for your Galaxy S21 Ultra, this one is great. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.